Hi there. My name is Rachel, and I'm going to give you a very quick overview of case-based reasoning. It will only take a few minutes of your time. Let's begin. Case-based reasoning, or CBR for short, began in the area of artificial intelligence, an area of computer science concerned with teaching machines how to learn. In the 1980s, Roger Schank, then professor of computer science and psychology at Yale University, was looking for ways to help computers learn better. He found that by using the bank of coded cases, computers could learn without the need for explicit rules. The work of Roger Schank and his colleagues was later investigated by researchers within the learning sciences communities. After all, if CBR could teach computers to learn, could it help students learn? CBR doesn't rely on general knowledge. It doesn't need a large rule base. Rather, it relies on specific knowledge from previous situations, called cases. At some level, CBR is similar to the process by which most people solve problems. So what is a case? According to one dictionary, a case is an instance of a particular situation, an example of something occurring. To solve a problem presented in a case, CBR uses precedents, or what may be called prior learning, to indicate the possible solutions. CBR considers multiple precedents, or past cases, the outcome of those cases, the case features and the similarities between cases. Together, the combined knowledge from these sources assists in solving new problems. What is a precedent? Again, according to the dictionary, a precedent is an event or action that is regarded as an example or guide to be considered in subsequent similar circumstances. Many cases will form precedents for future cases. For example, if a student doesn't complete her homework, she doesn't expect to be rewarded, but she doesn't expect to be expelled from school either. This expectation of suitable reprisal arises from precedents, or previous similar cases which the student may have observed. Most people are quite comfortable with the concept of a precedent. Indeed, precedents form the basis for many of our decisions. Consider a car with its right-hand indicator on. Will it turn right, continue, or turn left? Most of the time it will turn right, but not always. From this example we can conclude that precedents are neither law nor truth. They are simply a reasonable indication of what might happen given certain circumstances. So the big question is, can CBR be used to enhance learning? Many instructional designers would say yes. You see, when people solve problems, they draw upon their experience and the experience of others. The world is too complex to be modeled correctly by rules, so human reasoning has developed to be more case-based than rule-based. Further, cases can be very rich, enabling learners to solve problems outside their area of expertise. To conclude then, CBR has a place in education. By providing learners with a case library and engaging their native problem-solving abilities, CBR can be used to show how existing solutions may be reused, how new solutions may be created, and to evaluate the differences between competing solutions. My introduction is now complete. For more detailed information on various aspects of CBR, please review the other presentations on the learning page. Thank you.